Hey guys, Jeremy at APR Welding Academy here. Before this video starts, I just want to show you guys some new merch that we just got in stock. These are our new hats. We have two colors, this color and green. You're going to see both colors on the website. The patches are laser engraved and cut at Maker North Co. And then we have a guy here locally that also sews them on for us. So if you want to order yourself a hat or anything else, check out our website. So now we gotta turn my gas off. We're gonna put this in the vise so you can see I have most of it welded. A little spicy. So what we're gonna have to do now is see underneath that nozzle, still spicy, yeah. I'm gonna have to weld behind that, so I think I'm probably just gonna put it in the vise and try it out like that. It'll be a little bit easier. And then I'm gonna weld the inside of the flange. I used to weld pipe and that was mandatory for this kind of shit. So anyway, try her out. Going good so far. Almost too much room. I'm just going to turn it down now if we're going around this nozzle because it's super thin. Okay, so now we're just gonna do the quick finishing. I'm just gonna put a little polishing pad here, a little bit of compound. And we're just gonna polish it all out now. I know some of you are probably like, oh man, leave the color, but I mean, once again, have it. Not really supposed to leave color. Stainless. Don't do that. Don't drop it on the ground like an idiot. You're gonna take it and you're gonna wipe it with a microfiber. Overall, not bad. Boom, boom, done. It's dark outside now, but that's okay. I got the TIG weld. Don't get to do it as much anymore as I used to, but that's okay. Look at this cup setup. Still a little bit spicy. Got the tungsten all dirty at the end. There's something burning out of that flange that my father had me weld. By the way, that's what this is. It's a filler flange on a 67 step side Chevy. He did I think he did a custom fuel cell, and then he's having it come up through the box. So he had me weld it so that he can bolt it on with a vent. And yeah, it's his idea, not mine. Not sure how it's gonna go, but I'm excited to see it. I'm also excited to see him get that Chevy done. Look at this, dual dynasty time. Huh? Rocking the dual dynasties, because the one ran out of gas. I didn't feel like going to get the other one, or another bottle, I mean. So I went and got the other welding machine and just hooked it up. I also took off my water-cooled torch because my glass cup is not for a, what is that, a W20 for the water cooled, on which normally I run W17s in my shop. I believe that's what this one is. So that's what my furick is. Larger thread, larger consumables, so I couldn't put it on my Mini. So I had to go and swap out the torch for a little bit. Wasn't a big deal, but whatever, worked out. Welded nice. Definitely wouldn't be able to do that with any other kind of consumables, I wouldn't think. Like, that's a pretty extreme stick out. I had like probably a good inch stick out, and for 95% of it, I would say I was getting good gas coverage. There was a couple times where I lost gas coverage. Might have breathed a little too heavy that time. It happens, you know how it is. Anyway, this is Jeremy from APR Welding Academy signing out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you had a comment about this video, feel free to do it, dog. Comment down below. I'm excited to hear what you guys got to say. And I'm always down for tips and tricks that I can then show my students. There's nothing wrong with telling me I'm doing something wrong or whatever. I know guys that I've worked with have been like, I've been doing this longer than you've been alive. And then they go and weld something and you're like, unfortunately, Dad has to show you how, bud. Sorry, but you're not as good as you think you are. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. If you like this video, then you'll love our channel. Check out our other videos.